Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. And this is another very iniquitous offering. Another product I picked up from Sprouts. Unfortunately, I discarded of the cardboard box that it came in because I wanted to put it in the freezer. But this is Sophie's Kitchen breaded vegan shrimp, and I have turned them into po' boy sandwich. With some beer battered onion rings. And the sandwich is very simple. If you can't find breaded shrimp, but you can find plain shrimp, I have offered a recipe for you to bread your own vegan shrimp and cook them up. These already came breaded, so I didn't have to follow the recipe. I just cooked them up along with the onion rings. Mixed up the remoulade sauce, which is just the best. It's really the best thing about this sandwich. It's very simple. It's just a soft hoagie roll with the remoulade on the top and the bottom. Some shredded iceberg lettuce underneath the shrimp. Sliced tomatoes on top. And I have tasted the shrimp. I did not like shrimp when I was little. So I don't know how close these are to real shrimp. I understand that other people say they're pretty close. So I'm going to dip it in the remoulade sauce. I have some extra. It's very tasty. Very different texture from like a tofu or a seitan. I've seen recipes for this kind of stuff, and I think Sophie's Kitchen also uses the cognac starch, the same stuff they make shirataki noodles out of. Now I guess I'm supposed to replicate the texture of seafood better than anything else. The onion rings are also very good, dipped in the remoulade. I love onion rings. Now let me see if I can grab this sandwich without having it all fall apart. I definitely needed 2 hands to pick that sandwich up and take a couple bites out of it, but it's really good. If you really like the old traditional po' boy, try this. I think you'll like it. It's really